I want to tell you personally, for me, the most impactful decisions I have made in my personal life, career, business, finances came from the place of failure, came from the place of taking the wrong steps, then learning from those steps and building a better life. If I can have a better career today, a better business today, it is because of the failures that I went through between 2010, when I started my career, and let's say up to 2017. The biggest failures of my life were between 2010 and 2017, like 7 years of consistent failure in different areas. But these failures have created incredible lessons in my life that I am able to, to perform better, and of course to perform, better businesses, and make better career decisions as a person, right? So it is important. But do you know two of your biggest failures? Two of your biggest failures. Now, if you do know, I want to give you an assignment where go and create time today and intentionally write the two biggest lessons from these failures, and clearly state, if possible, build an action plan. This is what I do personally for myself. Then build an action plan of how you will use the lessons in 2023. Pick out the two biggest failures. Then carefully analyze. Yes, I did fail here. I did mess up here. And actually, failure is a sign that you are up to something. Failure is a message that you are not settling for less. So I respect people who fail more than people who have not failed at all. Because it means you are stretching yourself. It means you are going further beyond your normal capacity. Okay? So look at those failures for this year and clearly pick out two key lessons from the failures and develop an action plan of how you will use the lessons in 2023. For example, here's how I do with my failures. When I fail at something, two important things always happen. Number one, either I develop a policy, let's say it's career failure or business failure. I develop a written policy, and if possible, I share with the team, okay, from now henceforth, to prevent this failure from repeating itself, we are now going to respect this policy from now henceforth. You now see the benefit of failure.